Hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Itu start.
Going to wait for the others first.
Hello.
Hi, Nico. How are you today? Good, Nico?
Baik-baik saja.
Okay, good. So today we are going to learn about Leonardo da Vinci, yeah? So Nico, I'm sorry I have to say it in English so you can learn a lot about English later on. Yeah, if you don't understand, just raise your hand. And then you can just ask. I will say it in Bahasa later.
Translate in
Ya, alright. For Nico, nanti ke depan Mr. Al bakal ngomongnya pakai bahasa Inggris. Sekalian Mr. Al mau Nico belajar bahasa Inggris juga ya. Alright, Nico. So, if Nico nggak ngerti, nggak apa-apa. Nico raise your hand aja, nanti Nico boleh tanya. Tapi Mr. Al nanti ke depan selama 30 menit akan menggunakan English ya. So, Nico bisa sama-sama belajar. Alright. So we're going to wait for the others first. If Nico, if you have any problem or you want to ask me, just raise your hand. I will say it in Bahasa later on. So we're going to wait for the others. Hi, Glenn. How are you today? Good.
Hello, Mr. Al.
Hi. By the way, your background is very cool.
Wow.
Nico, you can also using virtual background if you want. You know what to do? You know how to use virtual background, Nico?
Go to the stop. Click on the camera button.
Yes.
And then virtual background.
Yeah, repeat.
Oh my gosh, I have so much virtual background. I have this Earth. You're in space. I'm in space. Gimana sih caranya?
You don't understand? Nggak ngerti caranya? Nico lihat sebelah kiri. I will share your screen.
The
Ya.
bottom left. Bottom left. Nah, caranya nih. Diam.
Oh, nggak bisa ya? Alright, let's start our lesson today. Actually, we are late for 2 minutes, and I don't really happy we are late, but it's okay. Maybe we can start now. So today we are going to talk about this person, yeah? Leonardo da Vinci, the one on my left, not this one. This one is Stefanka, but this one, Leonardo da Vinci. He is one of the very famous artists, sculptors, scientists. Then you can also later, we will, getting to know to Leonardo da Vinci. All right. So I'm going to share you the slide about Leonardo, and I want you to read it loudly. Okay. Now start from Nico. Read it, please. Louder, yeah? Ready, 1, 2, go.
Leonardo da Vinci has many jobs. He was a painter, sculptor, inventor,
architect,
technician, anatomist,
botanist,
urban planner,
yes,
astronomer, geographer, and musician.
Yes, so Leonardo da Vinci has so many jobs. He is very talented, ya. Leonardo da Vinci ini bakatnya banyak banget, Nico. Dia itu bisa sebagai seorang pelukis, pembuat patung. Dia juga bisa menemukan banyak ide-ide. Dia juga arsitek. Yeah, he also inventing a lot of ways how to do something. And he also an architect. And then He also technician. He knows about something related with the technician thing. He also botanist. Botanist is the one who understand about a lot of plants and all the flowers and everything like that. So urban planner, astronomer, he also have a lot of idea about the out of space thingy, and then geographer, and then musician. So next will be Glenn turn.
How his face look like? There is a saying that it looks like Moderna. Some people think that Moderna
Sorry. Okay.
is Leonardo da Vinci's self-portrait.
All right. This one is a bit mistake, not Mozarina, but Mona Lisa. I'm going to
Mona Lisa.
sorry.
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
Mona Lisa.
This typing error. Right, Mona Lisa. So some people believe that the face of Leonardo da Vinci looks like Mona Lisa. This is the way how Mona Lisa look like, and then as you can see that, can you see the picture on the right side?
It's a girl. Yeah, it is similar. It's similar.
Yeah, it's similar.
Similar.
That's why some people believe that Mona Lisa is actually not exist, but actually that one is a Leonardo da Vinci self-portrait, but no one knows. This one is still becoming a mystery. Okay.
Oh, I thought he paid. Has anybody seen Mona Lisa in real life?
That's why we are also asking the same question: is Mona Lisa exist in our real life or not? I don't know.
I thought he only paid.
Okay, next will be Nico again. One more time, Nico. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Leonardo da Vinci was born on April 15, 1452 in Vinci, a mountain village in Tuscany, as a illegitimate son of a famous family noted Barbara da Vinci and the poor farmer's daughter Caterina.
So Leonardo da Vinci was born on April 15, 1452, yeah?
1452.
Yeah? Sorry, Glenn?
More older than...
Yeah, more older than Pablo Picasso. Okay, if you notice that one. Last one will be Devanka. Come on, Devanka. Read it.
Why did he become one of the famous artists in the world? He did well in other subjects, not just drawing well, and by 1900, Mona Lisa was left with a very good drawing.
Okay, we're going to next. Will be Glenn turn. Come on, Glenn.
How is his masterpiece looks like? Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece is a work called Mona Lisa, where a woman sits. It is not yet clear who the woman is.
Yes. Okay, the last one is Nico. One more time, please. Nico, closing. He died on May 2nd, 1519 in Ambos, France. Okay, he died on May 2nd, 1519 in Amboise, France. Yeah. Okay, next. This will be the short video about Mona Lisa. I mean, Leonardo da Vinci. Wait, just only for 3 minutes. Hang on.
Not even an hour? Oh.
Leonardo da Vinci, the true Renaissance man. No doubt you recognize the Mona Lisa, and you've probably seen a model of one of his countless inventions.
I don't see the video.
Can you see?
The celebrated painter
Can you see the slide?
Where? Where?
Right. Wait. Sorry. Sharing first. I'm going to show you the. Where is it? Oh, this one.
Oh.
You see the slide?
Oh. Yes.
Leonardo da Vinci, the true Renaissance man. No doubt you recognize the Mona Lisa, and you've probably seen a model of one of his countless inventions. These are all the work of Leonardo da Vinci. The celebrated painter and inventor was born in 1452 in Vinci, Italy, and those were only two of his many talents. He was also a sculptor, architect, philosopher, engineer, and scientist. His portrait, the Mona Lisa, is the best-known painting in the world. He painted between 1503 and 1506, and the identity of the woman behind that mysterious smile is still disputed today. Almost as famous is his mural, The Last Supper, which portrays Jesus with his disciples. Leonardo experimented with a new type of paint for the mural, which is why it's unfortunately very faded. Typical for the Renaissance, his subjects were mostly religious. Yet his work demonstrates that his true fascination was with nature, why clouds form, how plants grow, or how the human body is put together. Anatomy is also the focus of the Vitruvian Man, a human being standing in the center of a circle and a square. Leonardo's groundbreaking drawing depicts the ideal human body measurements and proportions. Today, the drawing is featured on Italy's €1 coin. One of Leonardo's greatest dreams was to fly. By observing the movements of birds, he invented the very first flying machines. A parachute was later assembled by scientists in the year 2000 using his original design, and it worked. The sky wasn't the limit for Leonardo, who was fascinated with water too. He studied the flowing motions of the waves and applied his discoveries to technological innovations, including diving gear, irrigation systems, and the very first water meter. As an engineer, Leonardo was centuries ahead of his time. As early as 500 years ago, he designed the first precursors of the tank and the automobile, and even a solar reflector. He spent his final years in France. By his death in 1519, he had developed a legendary reputation as an homo universale, or jack of all trades. To this very day, Leonardo da Vinci is widely considered to be one of the most extraordinary.
All right, I think enough. I want to give you some questions, guys. Glenn, in the future, if you are able to create something, what is the thing that you want to build?
Can I write it
This question. Jika di masa depan, Glenn mau buat apa yang berguna buat manusia? What would you invent? What would you build in the future?
Obat otomatik?
Apa?
Obat. Bikin obat.
Obat? Oh, mau membuat obat. You want to try to make some medicine for the people, ya? Kalau Nico di masa depan Nico mau buat apa? Yang kira-kira berguna buat semua orang? Tik-tak, tik-tak, tik-tak. Ayo. Di masa depan Nico mau buat, ya, sorry?
Mobil terbang.
Mau buat apa?
Terbang. Mobil terbang. Berguna juga sih. Kan bisa jadi bisa kalau ada kebakaran mobilnya tinggal terbang.
Oh, tadi apa mau buat apa Nico? Mr. Al nggak dengar?
Mobil yang bisa terbang.
Oh, mobil yang bisa terbang. Ya, kalau di Fangka mau buat apa di masa depan?
Mau bikin apa tuh? Kite layang-layang yang apa tuh besar yang bisa menampung banyak orang.
Okay, good job. So when Leonardo da Vinci was alive, he is still thinking about the future ya. Jadi waktu Leonardo masih muda dia bikin apa namanya sketsa tentang pesawat terbang, tentang mobil, dan sekarang sudah kejadian kan, sudah ada. Now the cars and the planes already created. Ya, jadi mudah-mudahan di masa depan Nico sama Glenn bisa menciptakan sesuatu. Alright, next we're going to draw like Leonardo da Vinci. Udah siap belum kertasnya?
I don't know how to draw.
Yeah, you're going to follow me, alright? So we're going to draw realistic things. This one a bit hard, but I know that you can do it, guys. So follow me one by one, okay? I'm going to use marker. Actually, we're going to use pen or marker is also okay. So
Pen.
yeah, all right. Are you ready now? We're going to draw an eyes. All right. My eyes is like this. All right. We're going to draw an eye. So I want you to draw like this first. Like a curve.
Put it horizontal. In the middle.
In the middle, yes.
Horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal, vertical is up to you. Draw the eyes like this first. And then draw the circle around, in the middle. If you're done, say done. Right now, draw the circle. The perfect circle in the center like this. Okay. Right, good job. Now I want you to make this side a bit dark.
Oh, you're making like a shadow.
Yeah, I want you to make it more darker.
Already?
Good job.
Done.
Next will be make this part also a bit dark. This side needs to be more darker, yeah? Done? Yeah, this part needs to be more darker.
Yes?
Yeah. And put some tear duct. We call this one is a tear duct.
Oh, like this one?
Yes.
I like making this because I'm used of it.
Yeah, we call this one is a tear duct. So then you just draw the eyelashes like this.
Eyelashes.
Yes, we're going to draw the very realistic eyes.
Oh, I'm wrong. I did all of it.
So Nico, done?
I'm wrong.
Done?
I did it wrong.
Right now, draw the line in the middle, yeah, of the eyes like that. Wow, now it looks more realistic.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, just try. It's okay.
Oh no, I did it wrong again.
Yeah. All right, good job. Now, I want you to draw the line at the top of the eyes. Wow, this is like an eagle eyes, but I don't know, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure I did it.
Yeah, like that. And then one more line.
Above it. I'm not sure I did it again. It's okay, right?
Yeah. I want you to draw another line like that. And it creates an eyebrow.
Oh.
Now it's time for us to make it more realistic by creating a line one by one. Fill the empty space of the eyebrow with a line like this. It's almost done.
Can you guys keep it? Wait a second.
After that, draw another line like this. Devanka, can you see it? All right. Draw the line a little bit on this part and this part. This is becoming a shading effect. Just a line like this spontaneously.
No, I cannot do it. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, it's almost like that, Glenn. You're very good. Awesome. Also, Devanka, nice. Nico, can you show us?
Jelek. Oh.
Gak apa-apa, Nico.
Sama, saya juga jelek.
Alright, udah dicoba kan? Nah, di sini ditambahin sedikit-sedikit line-nya. Sedikit-sedikit line-nya. Ada sedikit-sedikit cracking di sini. Cracking effect like this. Karena di mata kita itu ada urat-urat sedikit.
Oh.
Dah?
My eye is too cracked. My eye is too cracked. My eye is gone.
It's okay, guys. Now, I want you guys to try one more time without Mr. Al helping you.
Oh, one more?
One more time.
Where? In here?
Here, maybe just find some empty space.
I'm gonna do it next to it. I gotta do it.
Yes, okay, we're going to do it next to it. Ready? Now you do it by yourself. Mr. I will not repeat, will not help you. Mr. I will draw by himself. I will not give you instruction, okay? First of all, I will draw the... That. Draw one more time, please, Nico. Nico gambar satu lagi, tapi Mr. A nggak mau kasih tahu caranya. Nico apalin yang tadi.
Dari sebelahnya? Bawahnya aja.
Ya, di sebelahnya atau di bawahnya boleh. I hope you guys to remember the step by step. This is the standard international way how to draw the eyes, yeah? Once you know how to do it, later you will be able to draw an eyes or realistic eyes. Like that. And then I will draw another line here. Yeah, don't forget to draw the eyelashes like this. Just pretending that this is your eyelashes. But this one, how Leonardo da Vinci draw the eyes. And then at that era, Leonardo da Vinci still don't have any pencil. That's why he create everything with pen.
Mister looks like a mouth, my crack of the eye.
Yeah, I like that. All right.
Wait, not yet.
you can draw another eyes on the right side, it will be great then.
Or not make a monster.
Yeah.
One more at the outside. Wait. We have to make another eye?
No, just try as much as you can. We still have a lot of time to do. Remember, Glenn, practice makes perfect, okay? If you keep on drawing and drawing.
Can I draw another one?
Yes, good job. Draw another one. Maximum is 3 eyes. Yeah, I put the tear duct a little bit different. Last time is on the right, like on it here, but I put it here now. It's becoming a left or right eyes. The key is on the tear duct, yeah. Like that. When you draw something, don't be scared of making mistake, ya. People make mistake, don't worry. Semua orang melakukan kesalahan, jangan takut salah. Like that.
We can modify.
Yeah, we can modify. It looks a bit scary, but I think it's fun. Gimana nih, kau udah bisa gambar mata?
Belum terlalu.
Belum terlalu ya, tapi ini adalah cara standar Niko yang kita gunakan untuk menggambar mata. Bedanya adalah misal A menggunakan pen. Kalau pakai pensil akan lebih keren lagi, lebih realistik. Tapi, yes. Jadi kalau Niko dan Glenn and Devanka already know how to do this one, nanti kedepannya akan lebih jago lagi ya. Seperti ini.
Like this?
Yes, Glenn. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, finally, Glenn, you are very passionate and talented, Glenn.
Oh no, my phone is giving.
Yes, like that, Nico. Good job.
Like this?
Yeah, Devanka also. So, today... Sorry?
Can I add a nose?
And what?
Can I add a nose?
I don't really get it.
Can I
add something?
a nose?
Yes. Nose. Right, we start with the nose now. Actually, nose is a bit hard.
Yeah.
Yes. No lah. Today, just focus on drawing the eyes. All right. Nose is another part, another thing.
Can I get a nose?
Yes. I want you guys to present ya. Sekarang belajar present pakai bahasa boleh, pakai English boleh. Alright? The way how you present is like this. Hi, my name is Al and this is my drawing. I draw realistic eyes like Leonardo da Vinci. I started with drawing the curve first, and after that I draw the ball inside the curve, and then another circle in the middle, and I put some line on it. And then I put some shading, the eyebrow, the eyelashes, and something like that.
And then I copy.
Yes, we will try from Devanka. After Devanka, Nico, and the last one will be Glenn. Ready? Now it's time for you to speak up. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Devanka, and this is my drawing of realistic eyes from Leonardo da Vinci. First of all, I draw the eyes. Then I draw the eyeball in here. I draw the small circle in here. Then I draw the, what is his name?
Tear duct.
Tear duct in here. And I draw the eyebrows.
The eyelashes.
Yeah, eyelashes.
Oh, is it hard for you to draw like this?
Yes. No.
All right, now everything becoming more easy, yeah. Right, next will be Nico. Silakan Nico. Ayo belajar berani.
Hai, nama aku Niko. Aku lagi menggambar mata seperti Leonardo da Vinci.
Yes.
Pertama aku membuat bulat luar, lalu membuat bulatan dalam. Lalu saya menggambar alisnya. Lalu aku membuat garis di dalam mata dalamnya. Lalu aku membuat garis dan alis. Lalu aku mau mengarisi alis ini. Lalu menggambar urat-urat dalam mata. Udah, selesai.
Yeay. Susah nggak Nico gambar begitu?
Lumayan.
Iya, next time kita mau coba pakai pensil ya, biar lebih keren lagi, biar realistik. Oke, sekarang waktunya untuk ya, kita akan coba ke Glenn. Hi Glenn, wow, you're in the... How to do it, Glenn? Hi.
Everybody, my name is Glenn.
Yes.
This is my drawing. I draw the realistic eye. So what I did first, that I draw a shape like this, and then I draw a circle in between here, and then I draw another circle in it, and then I draw the eyelashes. After I draw the eyelashes, I draw the eyebrows. After I draw the eyebrows, I draw the little crack and then the lines in the eyes.
All right, which one is the hardest part of your eyes? Which one is very hard to draw?
The eye.
The eye itself, all right? So do you have any questions so far, guys?
No, I add this.
We will do this again.
Yeah. How about
Yeah.
next week on Wednesday? What do you want to learn?
Aha.
How about drawing manga?
Yay! No,
Minggu depan mau belajar apa?
drawing manga.
Nico, minggu depan mau belajar apa?
Drawing manga.
Manga? Mau drawing manga kayak
Mobil.
mobil? Mana dulu? Mau mobil dulu atau drawing manga?
Manga kan
Manga.
Oke, hari Rabu kita akan gambar manga dan hari Jumat depan kita akan gambar mobil ya. Alright. Alright, thank you so much buat Nico dan Glenn. Kita ketemu lagi hari Rabu minggu depan ya. I'm sorry that our time is so limited. We only have 14 minutes and I really enjoy our time. I hope you still yes, Leonardo da Vinci and everything. And don't forget to always speak up about your idea, okay? Don't stop to speak about your idea. And then share it with us, share it with everyone, share it with your family, with everything. I mean with everyone. Thank you so much, Glenn. Thank you so much, Nico.
I'm in the grass.
Yes, Glenn, sorry.
I'm in the grass because I'm little.
You're a grasshopper.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm very grass.
Everybody, keep on drawing.
I have
Bye-bye.
mustache. Bye. Bye.